And today is a big day because I received the coilovers. So there is several brands that make the coilovers, which they fit nicely to the 280. Because I'm in England, I got them from BC Racing. Otherwise, you can just check in like Silver Mine Motors. There is some other options. You can get them in USA for around just over $1,000. I pay just over £900 in England for the set of 4 coilovers. So the important point of this, you get all 4 coilovers. So these coilovers are fully adjustable, damping ratio. You can also do some camber adjustment. And the main point is that they come with this. So the coilovers for this Datsun, they are weld on or weld in. They are not with a ball joint. So the idea is that you need to cut the strut from the old coilover for 4.5 centimeters from the base, and then the sleeve, the bottom mounting of the other coilover, it just goes on top. I will do this one right here because I don't have the tool to remove the spindle. So I will keep going and show you how it's done on the other side. So that's the idea. Rear one, clean. Front one has a bracket. So the idea is that you remove this comes completely off, and then you slide this thing on the old mounting on the old strut. You weld the base. I will show you later how it goes. So I just managed to remove the old strut and cut it. And I measure, and the new tube comes back on top perfectly fine. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the other side. We obviously start removing the wheel. Then what I did, it was I removed the bolts of the joint, and then I removed the parking brake as well with 2 bolts. These 2. Remove the parking brake, otherwise it doesn't hang. And remove the strut from the top. There's these 3 bolts. Then the whole assembly comes forward. So in my case, I don't need to lower the spring because the previous owner cut it, so it's already loose. So as soon as I drop the suspension, remove the bolts, the assembly can come forward, so I have a more clear area to work. So the last one, the previous one, I did it cutting everything. And there is another tube inside, obviously, for the hydraulic. So this time what I'm gonna do is remove the strut and try to remove the internals, so at least I only have to cut one of the tubes. Let's go for it. For the front, I'm gonna do it properly, which is I'm gonna remove the whole axle and then get this axle welded by a professional, because the cast iron needs a proper welding, and since the front is supporting more strength, more strain, cornering and more weight of the front, I'm gonna do it with a proper welder. So it's 2 bolts to remove. There's one here and one on the other side. Remove these two bolts. Remove the bolts from the top, and the whole assembly brake disc comes out. So I'm just gonna get going with the springs. Okay, I finished getting the studs removed. Again, 4.5 centimeters. I clean everything to make a nice welding. For the fronts, there is one for the left, one for the right, because they have the brackets. So in this case, this one goes here, and again, it just slides in. And these ones, I'm gonna be getting them properly welded with a professional. So this will be done tomorrow. So at the moment I leave it here. Well, I'm not gonna clean the suspension, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm waiting for all the rubber bushes to arrive from US. I need to change them, so I will do that later. All the bits, everything will be changed. So the only thing I need to do is I receive the hub, all welded in place.